Write to log is an extremely useful function that can be used to debug and monitor our application. It can be found in the Functions tab or in the search. It has two inputs, label and input. Input is the actual value that we want to output to the logs. It can be of any data type. Meanwhile, label will help us to identify that log record. Let's see it in action. Let's connect it to our business process. And the value that we will output is a float value. Meanwhile, the label, let's say that it will be test log. Fantastic. Let's save the schema and publish our application. We'll be able to find these logs in the Stats and Logs tab. We'll have to try to select the right deployment plan that we'll be running, and then go to Application Logs. Now, every time that business process will be run, and that specific block that we have created will be activated, we'll get a new log record over here. Let's see how it works. Let's go to our application. And this is a button that is actually linked to the business process. Now, if we go to statistics and refresh our logs and search for, which you can do with Ctrl F or Command F on Mac, and search for test log, we'll find the value that we have actually outputted, which is the float, and our label. And just like that, you can debug any part of your application.